So basically, you no longer need instruments anymore. You can just try to mimic the instruments that you want to.
Hello everyone, welcome to AI over coffee number 9.
Yeah, number
Yasha
9.
didn't enjoy his coffee.
Yeah, it was cold.
Okay, my name is Arshia.
I'm Yasha.
And okay, so this week we're gonna have a bit of a different episode.
A special episode.
Yeah.
Every episode is a special episode, actually.
Yeah, I mean we're special people.
Yeah,
man.
right.
Yeah. So basically this week we're gonna go over some fun AI tools.
Yeah.
Usually the thing is that it's really business related, but now it's more creativity related kind of AI tools.
We also went creative.
Yeah, you can say that. But yeah, this is tool. We're gonna go over a music tool, and after that we're gonna go over what else are we gonna go over?
Hailou.
Hailou.
The new AI open source model.
Right. Okay. Okay, so let me introduce you to MusicFy. MusicFy is a platform for music producers. They use AI to convert voice into different things.
Yeah.
So if you go over here into convert voice, you can choose between different artists. You can see like even iShowSpeed or SpongeBob SquarePants, Sonic, Billie Eilish, Markiplier, or instruments. You can mimic, for example, a saxophone or something like that.
Yeah.
And then it'll enhance your voice to sound exactly like a saxophone. So you just sing out the melody and it'll turn it into a
So
saxophone.
basically, you no longer need instruments anymore. You can just try to mimic the instruments that you want to have in your own song, and then create your own song and put it in SoundCloud and maybe make money out of it.
It's not gonna be as good as an actual instrument, obviously.
Yeah, of course.
But yeah, I mean, if nowadays with all the digital songs that are coming out, I think it's a very viable option because it's something new, and it sounds different than an actual piano, for example. So it's something completely new that can like be like a different genre of music, AI music or something.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's pretty cool.
So now I think it's easier than any time in history to just create your own music and then publish it out, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Without any instruments, without any.
No instruments
You just
required.
need a microphone, right?
Yeah.
That's why we did it.
You need a microphone and a good mixing software.
Yeah.
That's about it. And you can have those for free as well.
And guess who has that?
We do. So today we decided to make a song about FlowHunt. Very super professional, studio level song. And we're going to be covering another song, of course.
Yeah. Is it in SoundCloud? It's going to be in SoundCloud.
It's going to be in
right?
SoundCloud.
Yeah.
It's do you want to build a snowman? But it's do you want to build a workflow for FlowHunt? So yeah, it's going to be interesting. So we're just going to fast forward through the process of us trying to make this song, and then we'll link it down below, and we'll give a little snippet of the song, what it sounds like. Okay, let's get to it, man.
There is no more need for any manual work. Let's build a flow, it's time to innovate. We wasted so much time. Do you wanna build a workflow? Come on, let's automate. There is no more need for any manual work. Let's build a flow, it's time to innovate. We wasted so much time and money. Just you.
So, as you can see, it's nighttime now, and the result was disastrous.
It was perfect.
Oh yeah.
It was better than the original.
Honestly, like because we saw a video on this beforehand, before making this video, it was much better in their advertisement than it was in our use case.
The reason. Okay, so if you start with we did it vice versa. We started with the lyrics and then we tried to come up with the song. So if you generate the beat and then generate or create your own lyrics and then put your own song on there, I think it would have a better result. So that's how the process probably looks like. Yeah. We did it the other way around. So,
So yeah, we're gonna link SpongeBob singing the FlowHunt song.
Yeah, who knows? Maybe it gets viral. Maybe now you're singing it.
Yeah, so we made the SpongeBob sing the FlowHunt song.
Yeah.
On the track of Frozen. Okay, so we can move on to the next product.
Yeah.
That is another fun thing. It is called the Hailou model. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. This is by the way the ThursdAI website, which they are a podcast every single Thursday about AI. So yeah, you can go ahead and say a little bit about Hailou.
But basically, there's a new open source model called Hailou, and they're multimodal models. So they have text, video, and speech.
Mm-hmm.
And this is one of they have really good results. So this is one of the speech results.
Yeah, so it's a text-to-speech model.
Yeah.
And it tries to mimic emotions as much as possible.
Yeah, it's not as good as a Love Lab.
Dawnborn of House Targaryen, the unburnt, mother of dragons, Khaleesi to Drogo's riders, and queen of the 7 kingdoms of Westeros. You have seen the Targaryens. They call us beasts, but we are not beasts. We are men and women. We are warriors, and we are free. And we will not be mocked. Today, we march on Meereen. We will not stop until this.
So yeah, it's good. It's nice. At least the voice mimicking is pretty spot on, I would say.
Yeah.
That sounds a lot like Emilia Clarke. True. So yeah, Valar Morghulis, man. All right, so yeah, you can go check out the Hailou model as well on their website, which is going to be linked in the description below as well. You can. We didn't find the Dragon Queen voice in their website, but there's a bunch of other voices you can use. It's completely free for now, and the cool thing about it was that it had different accents.
Yeah.
So, okay, it had a variety of accents, which was nice. It had an Indian accent, British, what else? Australian, yeah. So yeah, that was another fun thing to do. And the last website we want to show you is AI Face Swap. If you want to send a funny GIF with your own face on it.
Yes.
In seconds, it's easy. So here we're making the Shrek meme with Arten's face, which was Christmas special. The Christmas special guest that we had is right there. It's Arten. Okay, so this is the result for the GIF, which is pretty cool.
Looks cool.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's nice. So I think that's about it. I mean, this video was very unplanned and weird because nothing extraordinary in the AI field happened this week.
Yeah. I mean.
So yeah, next week there's gonna be some big news, hopefully, if we're done with it. And for this week we just went over some fun things and hope you enjoyed it. And please do not listen to the song, but if you do,
make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Make sure to have proper ear protection. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I'm going to put some bloopers at the end of this video because it's pretty funny.
Yeah.
And we'll see you next week. Ciao.
Your dreams take flight.
Do you want to build a workflow?
Let's build a workflow.
There is no more need for any manual work. Let's build a flow, it's time to innovate. We wasted so much time and money, just you and me. With FlowHunt we'll automate. Do you want to build a workflow? It doesn't have to be just one flow. Go Rash, yep. Okay, bye. Do you want to build a chatbot to save you hours every day? He can answer all your clients' needs while you succeed in such an easy way. No more time or wasted hours, just drag and drop. You'll watch your dreams take flight. Do you want to build a workflow? Let's build a force.